shall sing along. The young one of a bear is a cub. The young one of a cat is a kitten. The young one of a cow is a calf. The young one of a deer is a fawn. The young one of a dog is a pup. The young one of a donkey is a colt. The young one of a duck is a duckling. The young one of an elephant is a calf. The young one of a fish is a fingerling. The young one of a frog is a tadpole. The young one of a giraffe is a calf. The young one of a hen is a chick. The young one of a horse is a foal. The young one of a kangaroo is Joey. The young one of a lion is a cub. The young one of a monkey is an infant. The young one of an owl is an owlet. One of a rabbit is a bunny. The young one of a sheep is a lamb. The young one of a tiger is a cub. The young one of a zebra is a foal. These are the animals and their young ones. You and me shall sing along. These are the animals and the young ones. You and me shall sing